Welcome friend to our new YouTube channel. So today we are having a question that is related to ratio and percentage. So here we are having the question that is, if a mixture contains water and alcohol in the ratio 2:3, so what is the percentage of water in the mixture? So let's begin with our solution. So let's start. So here we are having the ratio of water and alcohol. So the ratio of water and alcohol, that is water and alcohol in the ratio that is 2:3. So we suppose we or take, you can say whatever you want. So A ratio B is equal to 2:3. So A is for water and B is for the alcohol. So we have A ratio is equal to A ratio B. So first of all, we have to find the quantity of water. So here we are asked find out the percentage quantity of water. So the water in the mixture, that is, we take it out as, here it is A. So A upon A plus B. So this is water and this is the whole mixture, the mixture of water and alcohol both. So here we get, that is, A is 2 upon 2 plus 3. So here we have this, which becomes 2 upon 5. So now therefore percentage quantity of water in the mixture, in the mixture, and that is 2 upon 5. So here this is the quantity of water in the whole mixture. Multiply it by 100 to find out the percentage of the water. So we take it 100%, that is percentage, and it becomes 5 ones are 5, 20 the. So that becomes 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40%. So this is the percentage quantity of water in that mixture. So hope you have understood. If you also want to find the percentage quantity of alcohol, so to check for alcohol, it means if 40% is for water, then 60% must be for alcohol. So let's check it. So we get the percentage for alcohol 60 in that mixture or not. So that becomes how much? You can see it. So now what is the quantity of alcohol in the mixture? That is 3. So we take it B. A plus B is equal to 3, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5, and percentage, and its percentage will be, to check out the percentage of alcohol, it becomes 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100, 60%. So what it becomes? 5 ones are 5, 20 are, that is 3 multiplied by 20, it becomes 60%. 60%. So we have got 60 for alcohol plus 40% for water. It becomes total 100% in the mixture. So here we have been asked in the question only about the percentage quantity of water. So here the percentage quantity of water is 40, and that is our answer. So hope you have understood and also learned the method of finding the percentage quantity or quality in that mixture or any question. So hope you have understood. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and we will meet in the next question. Thank you.